Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sarah with Sarah Plans Life, and today we are planning the week of August 10th through the 16th. It's embryo transfer week. La 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 la. Okay, let's see how the previous week went. It went really well. I used up that entire kit plus all my extras. The ultrasound obviously went really well. We are going through with the transfer, so I actually start my progesterone tomorrow night. So I'm very excited to start that. And yeah, that's it. I mean, it was busy, but yeah, it was a good week. It's nothing crazy. So yeah, I actually got a Franny Lamb sticker order in the mail this morning. I'm not actually sure when it came. I haven't checked the mail in the last 2 days, but they're custom stickers by Franny Lamb Stickers, and they say Little Phoenix. I thought it'd be nice to get these so that they match Scotty's Taekwondo stickers since they're both for Taekwondo. So I got those. So let's get right to the kit we're using. I am using the April Showers Micro Kit by Cricut Paper Co. I've just been really loving her bold and bright colors, and I just love they're just so vibrant and beautiful. So obviously it is not April, but I don't care. I really wanted to use this kit. I just love the colors. And yeah, so since I got the micro kit, this is all that came with it. So I scrounged around and found these add-ons. One was gifted to me. The other one I had bought because it was on sale. And they match pretty well. Obviously, they're very sparkly, so I'll want to make sure I kind of disperse them evenly with the ones that came with this kit. But I think the colors will work just fine. So we will use all of these. Let's get going. I'm going to do my outline. I'm going to do my outline with I use this washi so much. You guys are just going to laugh at me. But this is the Simply Gilded washi. It's got the little bows on it. And then another Simply Gilded washi. This one's got, kind of a gold polka dots all over it. And I believe this one is Cricut Paper Co. And I like it. It's stars. Very, very, very small. So I'll kind of put that on the top. So I'm going to do my outline real quick and then I will be right back. Okay, here we go. This turned out really cute, actually. I'm really pleased with it. You know how much I love this washi tape here, and this one turned out pretty good. It's kind of hard to see the stars, but if you kind of wiggle it a little bit, you can see the stars a little. So excited about that. So I need to add my habit tracker here for my meds. Yeah, so now that I'm starting the shots tomorrow night, that's going to be a lot. So the kids have swimming Monday morning. I'm trying to get as much of their swimming lessons out of the way as I can because they actually end in 2 weeks. So I just wanted to make sure we got some in there since they're going to miss it later in the week since they'll be at Stephanie's house while I am gone for the embryo transfer. So Scotty had his... Where are my tweezers? Here we go. So Scotty had his appointment with the ENT on Tuesday? When was this? Yes. Tuesday morning, and he is going to get his tonsils out. Oh my gosh. So it's good. I'm really glad that it's, going to happen. It's going to make things a lot better for him. He's not going to have as much problems. You get strep throat so often and stuff, but it's still nerve-wracking, he's my baby and he's going to be going under general anesthesia and just trying to figure out how to explain all this to him so he kind of knows what to expect without freaking him out, if that makes sense. So, yes, so that's, something that's been on my mind quite a bit, but we'll get there. That's what us parents do is we figure it out. Okay, so Tuesday, both kids have Taekwondo. Scotty has his Taekwondo at 5:45, and Juliette has hers at 6. She has been loving it. We had signed her up for a trial, and her trial ended last week. So we finally signed her up to do it full time for her age, which is still Tuesdays and Thursdays, because, you know, she's 3.5. She doesn't need to be going there 4 days a week like Scotty is. So, yeah, so I'm going to use one of my new little stickers for her. Oh, I love it. Ooh. That's cute. That fits in there nicely. Okay. So got that in there, and then get Scotty's in there. So it is, I mean, you know, obviously I'm happy to be going to my embryo transfer. Let's not, you know, get things mixed up. But I am bummed that Scotty's going to be missing Taekwondo these days because his belt test is this day here. I have no sticky notes on here. Oof. His belt test is here. I have it on the big calendar, so, you know. Is it there? Actually, no. His belt test is the next week. No, it's not. Damn it. So, yeah, so his belt test is here. So, I'm going to put a sticky note there, actually, so I remember. Yeah, so, but he'll still have, after we get back, he'll still have his Tuesday practice. He'll have Thursday and Friday. So he'll have a good week's worth of refresher before the belt test. So I'm bummed he's missing these days, but I'm not like, you know, it's okay. So yeah, that's all we have going on Tuesday. I may end up having, you know, I may end up running my errands that day, or I may run my errands on Wednesday just to kind of make sure I have everything for the transfer. But I will be doing a grocery pickup order. Let's do one of these. Let's do one of these. So I'm going to do my grocery pickup order here. Let's see, I've never used one of these kind of stickers before, so I guess just kind of put it here. Okay, so yes, I'll be doing my grocery pickup order on this day. It's not going to be a big pickup order since obviously I'm going to be gone. I'm not super happy with that, but it's fine. Are they supposed to be this way? No, because the writing is this way. So I'm assuming this is the way it's supposed to go. I don't know. Do you guys know? Comment. Let me know. Okay. There, so we're doing groceries there, and that's really going to be the place where I'm going to get most of my things. The only thing I'm concerned about is I don't have any, like, sanitizing, like a travel pack of sanitizing wipes to be able to wipe stuff down, like when we get on the airplane or when we, you know, go anywhere in public. So I'm a little worried about that, but it'll be okay. All right, so grocery pickup this day, no other errands. My plan with me is coming out then. I keep reaching for this gray color, but I've already got that gray color on this day. Okay, so I'm gonna upload my plan with me here. So that's gonna be here. And then I'm also going to, so I'm gonna film probably, I might try and film Monday night. I have my Misfit bag planner Kate order coming on Monday. So I'm going to try and film that day so that I'll have a video for you guys while I'm gone. I'm going to put this up here so it's out of the way. Plan with me here. Sorry, y'all. I'm jumping all back and forth. This is just insanity. I also have payday on Thursday. I forgot to put that down up here. I like to put payday kind of just up at the top because, you know, it doesn't really come at any specific time. So it's better to just kind of put it up there. So payday up here. How cute that sticker is. Okay. Then trash day, but let's make this so that's not crooked. And then we're going to film like usual on Saturday night. And then I'll edit sometime on Sunday. And I won't put that in here because we don't need to put it all in there. So upload here. I don't have a trash icon sticker actually, which is weird because I have all the other stickers, but yeah, I don't have it. This is gonna be a nightmare to edit. Okay, so let's keep going. So I need to remember the take out the trash on this day. And then Wednesday, James and I both start the Z-Pack, start like the antibiotics. So I'm gonna just kind of put that here just to make sure we remember to do that. I believe it said in there it didn't matter what time of day we take it, but I'm just gonna make sure we take it in the mornings. That's when I start my, when I take my bulk of my medicine anyways in the morning. So we'll just take it in the morning at breakfast. So we got that going, take the trash out here, upload video here. Look at these new Once More with Love stickers I got. Oh, I just love them. So cute little filming sticker here. And then another film sticker here. And then these are both, look at these upload stickers, are so cute. I've got a lot of doodles on this day. Okay, there we go. Adds a little fun there. Okay, so we are flying to San Diego on Thursday. Our flight is at 1:25. We're gonna use one of these sparkly stickers for that. So our flight is at 1:25. We're gonna drop the kids off at my friend's house at 11 is when I told her we'd be there, mainly so that we have enough time to like drop them off, show her where all of like their stuff is in the bags, and just kind of make sure they're settled before we leave. And then we'll leave and we'll probably grab some lunch. I'm thinking we might just eat in the airport, but I'm a little nervous about that just because there's so many people. But I mean, you know, there's only so much you can do. So here, and then we're going to, once we get to San Diego, we're going to get to San Diego. I believe we're going to get there around 2:30ish. We're going to get there. We're going to go check into the hotel. And then after we check into the hotel and kind of drop our stuff off real quick, we're going to go meet up with Jake and Matthew to have dinner and celebrate. They sent me their menu, and I am like, oh, Lord. You guys, like when they come out and visit, there's no way I'm going to compete with that. Like they're serving courses for dinner because we're going to eat dinner in their Airbnb. Just because since we don't live in San Diego, we don't know like which restaurants are open, which ones we feel comfortable going to that are following like guidelines and stuff. So you know what? It's just going to be better if we just meet at their Airbnb. So they're going to make us dinner. And yeah, y'all, they're doing courses. Oh, man, I'm so excited. I'm just so excited to get to hang out with them and get to see them in person, like it's been so fun getting to talk to them on Skype and getting to know them. But now it's just going to be even more exciting to actually get to like hang out with them in person. So I'm very excited for that. That's a very small sticker. We're probably going to be there for quite a while. And then Friday morning, just me. I need to start my steroids. They want me to start steroids for the transfer on the morning of the transfer. So we put that in here. Start steroids. Okay, and then I've got this polished patterns kit that I actually got during my last surrogacy that I used. It has an embryo transfer sticker, and then it also has bed rest stickers on there, which is nice. I only need to be on bed rest for 24 hours, which is good. So we don't have to stay there for too crazy long being on bed rest. So let's find a good sticker. We use this blue one. This blue is very pretty. So the transfer is technically at 11, but they want me to check in at 10:30. Probably just to, make sure everything is good to go. They're going to make sure I have a full bladder. I'm going to have to change into a gown. Jake and Matthew aren't allowed to come. No one's allowed to come, actually. I'm the only one allowed in there because of the virus, which is a crazy bummer. But, there's nothing else we can do, Okay, and then I'm going to put this bed rest sticker in between both days since I'm on bed rest for both days. So what we're going to do during the transfer is I'm going to video chat with the guys, and hopefully they have enough signal in there so that we can have a really nice video chat, but I mean, you know, we'll see. Okay, and then I'm gonna put one of these checklist boxes, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna put one of these checklist boxes in here. I know it's the same color as this other one, but I like this pink. Because there's gonna be some things I'm gonna need to make sure I've got and that I'm ready with for packing for the trip. We're only gonna be there 2 days, but I need to make sure I have everything I need because I'm gonna be on bed rest, so I need a lot of stuff to keep me occupied. Ooh, one thing that I am going to use to keep me occupied. Has anyone else watched Call the Midwife? Oh, you guys. Why have I waited so long to watch this show? It's so good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I was worried. The reason why I hadn't started it before is because I was worried that it was going to be a little too dramatic. You know, like I was just worried it was going to be too dramatic. But it's not, actually. It's actually very, very good. You know, it's just very interesting kind of seeing life in the late 50s, like where, you know, birth control was not a thing yet. I mean, can you imagine life right now without birth control? Oh my gosh. Anyway, recommendation from me, watch Call the Midwife. It's great. Let's see, our flight leaves at 3:30. So I'll put that in here. This is a pretty color. So I'll put that there. So yeah, that looks like that's it. I guess I'll need a meal plan this day still. So I'll do that. Okay, meal plan here. Don't have any stickers for that. I'm actually going to be getting one of those stickers. Actually, the stickers that I like for meal planning, these ones here. I ordered some in my Planner Kate order, so those will be there. But yeah, I'm getting it pretty darn quick, so I'm very excited to see it and see what was in my Misfit bag. I love getting the Misfit bag. It's so much fun. Granted, like there's sometimes quite a few stickers that I just don't use, but I usually end up giving them to my friend and she just loves them. So yeah, here we go. This is my week. I'm going to go through and fill it out with the pen and then I will be right back. Okay, so this is it. This is my whole week filled in. As I was filling this one in, my flight, even though it leaves at 3:30, I actually don't get in until like 8:30. So this, I'm probably not going to film on Saturday night. I'll probably end up filming on Sunday at some time, maybe Sunday evening. But I'm just going to leave this sticker here because I'm too lazy to move it. That's life. So let me know what you guys think of this kit. I have some more kits coming with that Planner Kate order because I am actually running out. I was worried that I just had too many kits. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm never going to go through all of these kits. But actually, I'm getting through them, so I'm really pleased. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.